Welcome to Rock Nation. Please subscribe and like to support us. Will Twitter crash and go bankrupt, or will it survive after losing nearly 70% of its staff since Elon Musk took over? Well, let's take a look at what industry expert Jason Warner thinks about it. The basic Twitter service will likely continue to be usable and operational, according to Jason Warner, a former CTO of GitHub, despite Twitter cutting more than half of its staff and the bulk of its contractors in a couple of weeks. In a lengthy debate on the subject, he tweeted, "Twitter, the service, can suffer lots and lots and lots of difficulties, and it will still be a useful, amusing tool for many. It differs from a mission-critical product, in my opinion. In other companies, nearly 100 million engineers depend on mission-critical tools like GitHub, which is owned by Microsoft, to complete their work. Some of these other companies are a crucial component of the internet's and the economy's infrastructure, such as Twilio, Stripe, and Cloudflare. If such companies and business face what Twitter has faced since Elon Musk took over, they could likely face outages, and the results will be very severe and rapid impact. On the other hand, Twitter is far more fault-tolerant despite being significant and being utilized by hundreds of millions of people. According to Warner, hundreds of millions of people use Twitter primarily as a daytime pastime. Sure, some people use it for work, but that's not the main use case. The errors we've been seeing and are going to see for a long won't cause it to fail because of the structure of the Twitter product, which gives the service a lot of uptime, latency, and architectural wiggle room. There has been a lot of worry on Twitter that the service would crash or fail if hundreds of talented programmers and staff workers were to leave. It's one of the factors contributing to the tremendous rise of the smaller, scattered social network Mastodon and the rest in peace Twitter hashtag. But according to Warner, technical problems are not likely to cause Twitter to collapse and die anytime soon. In actuality, it endured significant and persistent technological problems earlier in its development, the infamous fail whale phase, yet continued to grow. Warner argues that doesn't necessarily imply everything is great. He claims that even casual users have had numerous minor problems in recent weeks, and a simple test of a Twitter API he conducted revealed the possibility of considerably more serious mistakes. In the past week or two, I have personally noticed minor issues like sites or tweets not loading that are typically resolved with a web browser refresh or an app restart. Though, it is not the end of the world to occasionally miss a tweet or experience other slight delays when engineers work in smaller teams on a variety of projects or different areas of the codebase. The risks that allowed full-length movies onto Twitter just 3 days ago, however, are ones that are more significant. Legal actions for copyright infringement and copyright law are serious matters. Lack of supervision is probably to blame for additional dangers. Recent weeks have seen an increase in the amount of porn being uploaded on Twitter with popular hashtags, with 3 instances occurring only today while looking for phrases like "Twitter will fail" or "Rest in peace Twitter" for this post. According to Warner, this creates new risks. The risk lies in everything that surrounds the service that makes up the organization. These are very often custom tools with years of knowledge built into the logic and routines that dictate how the system should interact. If all those things go wrong, a lot of strange, even terrible or even illegal, things can occur. Additionally, it's when nation-states, hackers, etc. may have the most opportunities. On the technical front, however, Warner claims that while there will be some difficulties and hardship, it is unlikely that there will be a major Twitter failure that takes the site offline for several days or weeks at a time. I believe Twitter will survive these turbulent times and grow again. Please subscribe to Rock Nation on YouTube for more insightful and top videos. Thank you.